It's not a lot, but it's snowing. I think we need to protest. No more snow. It's only like -6 with the wind chill, so not like that's enough. We just need a little snow on top of it. It's awesome.
I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
Didn't help a lot, but I did help a little. Dan and I. He made that. I would say it's mighty fine. Makes your story.
We are making panels for the lower part of the doors. They're going to be covered in carpet. And you might be asking yourself, how the hell do we do this? This was actually the panel from the factory. We just heated up vinyl and glued that to it so it took the shape of the door. Now we're going to make a panel that goes here. And we're going to cover this in carpet because your feet are going to hit it and such, and we think doing it in the vinyl would be not so good of a thing. So the first thing you do is you cut that out. I'm not going to go through that step because if you can't cut something out in the shape that you want, don't be doing this shit. Okay? Cut it out. We predetermined where we want the holes. One on the inside, each outside corner, middle, then divide it. So 4 across the top, 4 across the bottom. Now this is probably more than what you need. Probably just the corners in the middle would be all that you need. But we're gonna take the carpet and wrap it around the edge, and these will actually help hold the carpet in place after it's glued. Talked to Danny, he gave us the blessing on doing that. That's what he said. We might end up taking and cutting it, the carpet, and then putting an edge around it, but we're gonna see how well it wraps around the corner first. Line up your panel. Once you get it where you want it, you gotta
Is that weird?
all right. Then you have all the holes pre-drilled. You don't have to pre-drill them, but we did the other side, so we did both together, so it's perfect. Now I just did something that might make your day very bad. These windows don't go down that far, but you might have a car or a truck that the window glass goes down that far, and I would have went in and I would have just broke my brand new glass. I got lucky. Drill your hole. And that's all there is to it. Then, take it off. Let's go to the back where I have the Christmas trees. Take your keeper, go through your hole. Carpet will wrap over the top of that. These are going to be lined up to the holes that we just drilled, and you put them on. That's all there is to it. If you're not putting carpet here and you're putting vinyl, take a wood spade, countersink into your material just a little bit, then put a 1/4 inch foam over the top, then put your vinyl on. That 1/4 inch foam will keep you from seeing each one of these tops. Carpet, doesn't matter. That's all there is to it. Pretty easy. Back's done, driver's side door is done, this is done. Now we're gonna go cover it, rock and roll. Now, it's literally my first time doing this step. Danny taught me how to do it. It's not that hard. Something you can do yourself. If you're not comfortable with it, ask a professional to do it for you. Spending a lot of time and a lot of money on a vehicle, it pays to have it done right. All right, got the cover on the back. It looks so much nicer in the black than the red. Covers up all of everything that's underneath. So that is done. Check out the side door panels.
Let there be light.
It looks awesome. So when you're getting in and out, your feet won't dig up the door. And that is done. The leather's on the way. Went out Monday. Coming from Texas. We'll do a review on that when it gets here. For the stock Escalade seats. We'll see what they look like in here. We know what they're going to look like. They look great. But hopefully the leather color, they picked the right one, which is the pewter, which is very, very good match with this wool gray paint. So coming along, excited, taking it to the next level again, very much legendary, and it will either go up for sale or a raffle. We've yet to decide, so going in the right direction though. Appreciate you watching. This bad boy has come a long ways. We are this close to having it done. Awesome. Thank you again. Keep watching.